alone. Leave varsity girls alone. Emmanuel, 2 years ago, you ran out for the money when you want to take 5 states, there is something is making out. So you can't clap for yourself. Clap for yourself to get why? Because my dad just spoke to my heart. He said that all the men seated next to the podium, you are married, you've never cheated on your wife, you not get side. You never do anything else, you know your wife. If I be a man of God, if I be the man that flash God, if I be the man that flash God, I don't know what be bad. As I begin to shake my leg, before the end of the show, we see 2 side shifts and many as we desire. Go into the world and multiply. Thank you. That's my time. Celebrate me.